Welcome to the yearly investment review from Market Secrets. This video will focus on how we have invested during the entire financial year of 2021-2022, that is from April 2021 to March 2022. Before we start, I suggest you to look at the last year's review video and also all other videos in our investment series if you haven't done already. This will give you a detailed understanding on what this is and why we are doing this particular yearly review. Also, please note that our SIP investment amount for the last financial year is 16,000 rupees. Also, there's one another thing that we want to mention before we begin. This is nothing but the high level review on the world and the world economy for the financial year. The world was still uncertain about how the pandemic will unfold in its second year. There were new COVID variants, there were multiple waves of infection. Followed by that, there was high inflation and there was a high attrition in all the industries as well. And on top of it all, there was Russia-Ukraine war, which started in the February 2022. This shot up the prices even more on everything, especially on the food and oil. But despite all this, the world markets continue to stay around the lifetime highs, even though it dropped by 15% in between. But it bounced back steadily to close the financial year strongly. This was the high level view on the world and the world economy for the financial year 2021-2022. So with that note, let's understand how we have invested during this financial year. Let's start from April 2021. What did we do when it comes to investing on April 2021? We just followed the plan we have written down for the market crashes, for the market corrections and market rallies, and we simply followed it. You can use the links in the description section of this video to learn about our investment plans and also our investment rules for investing during the market crashes and during the market rallies. But in simple terms, markets stayed around the lifetime highs from April 2021 to November 2021. So throughout this 8-month period, markets stayed around the lifetime highs. So we stayed with our plan and invested our regular SIP amount of 16,000 rupees every month. Even though the market was near the lifetime highs for these 8 months, it was slowly dropping and dropped below our 10% levels in December 2021. And this gave us the opportunity to trigger our booster investment. Since market has dropped below the 10% levels, as per the rules, we have invested 1.x of our SIP in December 2021. So what is 1.x of SIP? Since our SIP is 16,000 rupees per month, 1.5x of SIP is 24,000 rupees per month. So we invested 24,000 rupees in December 2021. Out of this 24,000 rupees, 8k investment was done manually, whereas remaining 16,000 rupees investment was done through regular SIP. But after the drop in the December month, market bounced back in January 2022 and went above the 10% drop levels, and hence we scaled back the investment in Jan 2022 to 16,000 rupees, which is our regular SIP amount. But then the Russia-Ukraine war triggered a major sell-off in equities and market went down again below the 10% levels, which again triggered the booster investment. So in February 2022, we invested 1.5x of the SIP amount as per the rules due to the 10% drop. So our investment in February 2022 was 24,000 rupees. Market continued to stay down below the 10% levels at the start of March 2022 due to uncertainties due to war. So we invested 1.5x of the SIP in March 2022 as well. So the investment in March 2022 was 24,000 rupees. Market went down as much as 15% down from the lifetime highs in the March 2022 before bouncing back strongly. When market closed for the financial year yesterday on March 31st, 2022, it closed just 6% down from its lifetime high. And to keep all this simple, we used our investment alerts Telegram channel. We just followed the alerts triggered in the channel to invest on the go. There was no need for any manual calculations or waiting. We will just blindly follow whatever that's mentioned in the alerts triggered in the channel. All the rules and all the scenarios are well defined and coded into alerts. So all we need to do is just follow its instructions. If you want to join the Investment Alerts Telegram channel to get the alerts when we invest and how much we invest, you can join using the link in the description section of this video. We have already explained clearly what's the logic behind our alert system and how it is used in the earlier videos. So refer the same for the details. I'll leave all the links in the description section of this video. So now, what's new for the financial year 2022-2023? Well, first off, bumping up the SIP as part of the annual increase is the first rule that we are going to enforce. So we are increasing the SIP amount to 20,000 rupees. Also, it's time to add few more asset classes to the portfolio. So we are adding multiple asset classes this year. Number one, a debt investment in Parag Parikh Liquid Fund for 10,000 rupees per month. So this is in addition to the SIP we are investing in. And also we are adding gold to our portfolio. You already know that I am a sovereign gold bonds fan, so I'm going to use that as the instrument to invest in gold. So we will be investing 6,000 rupees every 2 months in sovereign gold bonds, and all the returns from this bond will be put into gold base. Also, any balance left over from this particular sovereign gold bonds allocation will be put into gold base as well. For example, right, if the gold price for that particular issue is 5,500 rupees, the remaining 500 will be invested in gold base. So that's how the investment will go. So when it comes to gold investment, 6,000 rupees is being allocated for every 2 months. So per month it's 3,000 rupees, and every 2 months you can buy one new tranche of sovereign gold bonds. So that's the plan here. And lastly, we are adding silver ETF as well to the portfolio. So silver ETF is an asset that I was waiting for a long time in Indian market. This was finally launched 3-4 months back. So I'm going to use this as well. So we will be investing 1,000 rupees per month in the silver ETF. So these are the new changes and addition to the assets that we are going to invest in. And most importantly, as you already know, these are all not my actual numbers for investment. This is just a representation. Please do bear that in mind. Also, when our portfolio grows big, we can add REITs to the portfolio. If you don't know what an REIT is, check out our video in the investment series. We have clearly explained what is REIT and how it can be used to add additional flavors to your portfolio. Also, we are planning to kickstart crypto mining from this year. I have mentioned this multiple times in various videos. It's worthless to invest in crypto using the hard earned money. But if you have a spare computer and a good internet connection, we can consider mining crypto. To be honest, I'm not a fan of crypto and I won't invest in crypto. But crypto mining is something that I'm really interested in because it's one way of zero cost investing. So we are going to try it this year. So crypto mining is the path we are going to take this year to invest in crypto, and we will share more details about it in coming days. If you are interested in mining crypto, you can join us as well. So coming back to our actual investment plan, we will be investing 34,000 rupees per month, out of which 20,000 rupees will go to equity mutual funds and 10,000 rupees will go to Parag Parikh Liquid Fund and 4,000 rupees will go towards gold and silver. So when it comes to asset allocation, it will be 60% equity, 30% debt or cash and 10% in commodities. So 60-30-10 will be the asset allocation and it is in my comfort zone as well. So finally, how did you invest in the financial year 2021-2022? Were you able to take advantage of the dips and buy the dips, or did you miss it completely? Or even worse, did you sold your holdings in the panic during the minor corrections? How did it go for you personally? Let us know in the comment section. Also, if you have any queries, comments or feedback about this particular video, let us know in the comment section. We'll be happy to address and answer it. Also, in addition to this investment series, we are running multiple other learning series on algo trading using PineScript, algo trading using AmiBroker AFL, price action trading, trading strategies, and how to become a successful trader. Also, we are providing multiple data feeds for our users. So if you are an active intraday trader, you might find these data feeds very handy when it comes to real-time trading. So if you are interested in any of it, check out our website www.marketsecrets.in for the details. Also, hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.